Are you worried that, these regulatory credits are sort of the, some people say the only reason that they're showing a profit?
Yeah, I mean, I think kind of Phil was spot on, right? Be your guest. Short it if that's kind of the thesis of your short call, but it just hasn't worked at the moment. And I know Wall Street Journal has a big kind of piece on it this morning. Citing several short sellers that are kind of just boggled at the fact that the world's largest automaker by market cap has to kind of resort to these sort of accounting games to kind of make to boost the bottom line. But in the near term, the stock doesn't care. It's a momentum-driven story. It's been that way for a while. You said yourself, stock's up 300% plus year to date. Well, it's up 520% year over year. So right now, you're getting in front of a freight train if you really want to, dig in on what they're doing on the accounting side. But the business is inflecting. China's a big part of the growth story for the next 12 to 18 months. And then, don't forget, September 22nd, we have Battery Day. We're expecting some big announcements from that event as well. So again, if you're going to focus on the accounting stuff for Tesla, I think you're probably just wasting your time in the near term.
Yeah, I mean, it's like a charitable donation. People say, well, you deducted charitable donations from your taxes. Well, yes, because I'm able to. They're doing it because they can. I mean, it's not to Phil's point. They didn't create the tax laws, and so if they didn't do it, it might actually be suspicious there. Let's move on now to Joel, because there's no short sellers left in Tesla, to Microsoft. Now, Microsoft shares, they're a little bit lower this morning. They had a huge beat, impressive beat. Obviously, one of the names Jim Cramer just said is on sort of an insane tear as of late. Do the Microsoft earnings numbers justify the move up in the stock in the last couple of months?
I think so. I mean, at this stage of where we are in 2020, which has been a crazy year for everyone, mentally, phically, whatever. I mean, it's clearly one of the clear
winners. What's gone on this year, Joel? What do you mean?
Yeah, exactly. Well, the Mets opening day coming up, so we got that. But clearly, Microsoft's the winner, right? I mean, from they're benefiting from increasing shift to the cloud, gaming ramp as well. They are the beast. But I mean, coming into this print, any sort of TMT survey that you came across, investor conversations, Amazon and Microsoft are 1-2. Definitely the most crowded stocks on planet Earth. And right now, there is signs of Azure kind of decelerating. Growth came in at 50% year over year. Last quarter, we saw 61%, and expectations were close to 55% growth for the quarter. So there's some disappointment there. And if you also look at, Netflix post their print a couple of weeks ago, the stock really has struggled to regain any sort of momentum. And I think we could see that same issue with Microsoft in the near term.